Hello everybody and welcome to episode 5 of my mystery ingredient cooking challenge. The series where you bunch of melons decide what ingredients I've got to work with and somehow create a dish from. Now that's not always possible, but last week it was something. It was palatable. But the score is 2 to me, 2 to you. 2 weeks where I've been able to come up with something that was actually a decent plate of food, and 2 weeks where it's been utter drivel. So this week I'm hoping to take the lead for the first time in this series, but that all depends on what you lot voted for. So let's have a look, shall we? Right, behind door number 1. Okay. Pork belly. Asparagus, nice. Sun-dried tomatoes. Yeah, okay. Clotted cream. Yep. And lemon curd. Well, mixed emotions. I'd have put money on there being Doritos, that one. But lemon curd. There's no Scarborough, is there? This Atkins week or something. Well, it's not the worst ones you've picked. Give you that. Why do I do this to myself? Actually, no. Why do I let you lot do this to me? Got an idea. I might actually have something. Right, I think I've had a bit of a brainwave. I'm gonna pan roast the pork in some of the lemon curd, thinking like a pork and apple type situation. Make a thyme cream with a clotted cream. Use the tomatoes, asparagus, add some courgette and some peas and do like a bed, like a compote type thing, and then try and have time to finish a sauce. I haven't fully decided what the sauce is going to be, so we'll see. And we're off. Turn these on. Ah, you bastard. Yeah, I have. Pork in the pan, that's going to take ages to cook out. The lemon curd in there as well, get that going. Bit of thyme, probably too much thyme. And a little bit of dry sage because I can. Another butter, why not? Right, let that do its thing. I feel like pressure's proper on this time, as it's a decider. Not that any of them are easy at all. I just think I'm going friggin' mental. Courgette, asparagus in, peas in. Don't fit, but it'll do. Here's a bit I'm really not sure about. This thyme cream. Probably a really bad idea. In fact, no, I'm going to change my mind. Do the sage one. And sit there. Test clicks. Shite tomatoes. 4 minutes there. 4 minutes there. Why am I sitting? Shut up. Right. Last few minutes. Pork into the oven. Stock. This has gone by really bloody quickly again. Salt and pepper in those green bits. Sauce is thickening up nicely. This is far too much under control. What have I forgotten? I don't know. Does that mean I'm just like alright at my job? Nah, probably not actually, thinking about it. I ain't asked yet, thinking about it. What do you reckon to the new camera angle? Better? Worse? Let me know. If you don't like it, I'll put it back. Friggin' hell, skin. Smoky in here. That'll be white. 40 seconds. Nine seconds, bollocks. Right, so now my kitchen is destroyed. Time to find out whether it was worth it. More importantly, who wins? Pork's cooked, that's a good start. Before I put this in my mouth, I'll let you in on a little secret. I had an email this morning about a certain cooking competition, asking me if I wanted to compete this time round. If this ain't good, they might think that it might be worth rescinding that offer. Anyway. Bloody peas running away. Escapee. That's spot on, that. That is bloody spot on. Out of all 5 episodes of Shit with Sugar on, this one is by far the best. Yeah, quite happy with that. That'll do. That's 3-2 to me now. So you lot are going to have to up your game, ain't you? I'm going to regret saying that. If you want to vote, you don't know where to go. It's patreon.com/chef@home. I'm going to go celebrate my victory and pop the top off some of the finest roller cola in the land. So I'll see you next time. Ta-da.